Swerve AI app. So let's just take a look. So here is the app called Swerve AI, AI chat text with AI characters. It's a quite popular app these days. It's climbing in the charts. Swerve is a new place to chat with AI characters, discover unique characters, and explore the personalities they bring to every conversation. Choose your own persona and text one-on-one or in group chats. Build stories together. And then there's a community on Discord, getswerve.com, and yeah, unfortunately, it requires iOS 18 or later, so that's just what you need to know. So yeah, but let's just try to go to their website. Let's see, maybe there is like a web version or something. Um, Chat with AI. So as you can see, coming soon to Android and web. So as you can see, it's not yet on Android, it's not on web, it's only iOS, and you can get it here. But yeah, it's getting some good ratings in here, so that's kind of the idea. Yeah, so that's a highly recommended app in case you have problems, issues with Shy app, for example, or Character AI. This is a good app.